Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily plug an Ethernet cable inside your REOLINK D340P. So as you guys can see here, we have the doorbell and here we have the POE, which is the power over Ethernet. So now we need to take a cable and now insert it just like this. Let me get more of the cable and now let me plug it. And as you guys can see, now it's plugged in and working. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.